Hey, welcome class to week one, and for this week, we are going to cover why this class goes by the name of Chicano Studies. So, I don't want you to get thrown off and think why are we starting with that, because the class that goes by Chicano Studies has a history behind it, and I want you to learn why do we use that label. And with it, you're gonna learn about Hispanic, Latino, or Latinx, or Chicano, or Chicanx, the definition of all these labels, which they all deal with this controversial topic because many Latinx or Hispanics or Chicanos, once again, do not know how to call things off. We're also gonna cover the first people who migrated into this continent. So this class goes in a chronological order from pre-Columbian times, that's before Christopher Columbus, and we're gonna cover all those great civilizations that populated Mesoamerica. So Mesoamerica is a really vast, giant region from Mexico to, I wanted to say, to the borders of Costa Rica. So there's a lot of countries in it. I can even list them right now. Guatemala, I mentioned Mexico, Nicaragua, Honduras, Belize, parts of El Salvador, and parts of Costa Rica. So it's a huge, vast region, almost Central America, but it's not really Central America because we do not include Panama in it. Anyway, so going back to week one, you're gonna learn about the first migration into this continent. So there's a very multiple theories. That's why you have a film. It's awesome film done by Nova slash also PBS. I think they both are in the production of these amazing findings of how and when the first people entered this continent. Part of your film deals with the clash of Native Americans with the scientific community, and you're gonna learn why. It deals with NAPRA. It's one of the questions that you're gonna have on your quiz. Now you notice that in the films you have something that it says, as you watch the film, keep in mind the following questions. Well, that's kind of your study guide, and my hint, which is not really a hint, that's where the questions for your quizzes are going to come from. Also, for your test. So be mindful of that as you watch these films and as you also read the reading assignments. I always put on the bottom, as you read or watch, keep in mind the following questions. You might want to take notes because that's what you're going to be tested on, okay? And every week you're gonna have a discussion. For this week, I'm gonna keep it simple because I know the students are coming in slowly and we have this whole week for you to access, but let me know who you are, why you're taking this class. Please do not be brief because participation counts a lot. Some people are just into the habit or just write down one line sentence, and I do not like that because I want you to be able to tell me. It's kind of like you wanted to find out about a gossip, you're gonna tell me the details. That's the same. I do want to get to know some of you, most of you, and that will be really nice if we can have a really nice connection while you take these 4 weeks of class. That's all for now. I think that's a little bit about the content of this class. Once again, we're gonna cover the definition of Chicano, why Chicano studies, Mecha, the definition of Aztlán, Latino, Chicano, Hispanic, Latinx, with the X, and then we're gonna learn about all these multiple migrations into this continent, and then we're gonna move to week 2. That's all for now. And you also have your quiz for the week that covers the content of this week. Take care. Bye.